In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page for free using Getresponse. We'll walk through the entire process from starting your project to customizing the design to publishing it on a free Getresponse subdomain. By the end, you'll have a live landing page that you can share with your audience without paying for hosting or writing any code. First, log into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section called Tools. Click on Tools and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages. This is where you'll manage all of your landing pages inside Getresponse. On the landing pages screen, click the button that says Create Landing Page. Getresponse will now give you a couple of options for how to start. To keep things simple and fast, choose Use a Ready-Made Template. This lets you start from a professionally designed layout instead of building from scratch. Browse through the templates and look for one that fits your goal, whether it's collecting email signups, promoting a product, or sharing a simple announcement. When you find a design you like, click Use Template. This will open the drag and drop editor where you can customize everything. Inside the editor, you'll see your landing page on the canvas and a toolbar with different elements you can use. If you want to customize the template, you can drag elements from the toolbar onto the canvas. For example, you might add extra text blocks, images, buttons, or dividers to better match your brand and message. Take a moment to update the main headline, any placeholder text, and the call to action button so they speak directly to what you're offering. When you're happy with how the page looks, move your attention to the top right corner of the editor and click Next Step. If Getresponse detects that the mobile version of your page might need adjustments, you may see a prompt. At this point, you can either click Proceed Anyway to continue if you're comfortable with how it looks, or choose Return to Editor to go back and fix the mobile layout before moving on. Now it's time to configure and publish your page. Start by entering a clear and descriptive page title. This is what will show up in the Browser tab and can help with clarity and search. Next, under Landing Page URL, select the free Getresponse subdomain option. This gives you a web address that ends with something like grwebsite, which you can use without setting up your own domain. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Publish. After a moment, your landing page will be live, and you'll be able to copy the link and start sharing it with your audience.